Crocamole.
Numbers are everywhere.
They sure are, Croc. We use numbers all the time.
Yeah, and I know a song about a doctor who loves numbers.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you might know this one too.
Dr. Knickerbocker.
Oh, Dr. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now we've got the rhythm of the hands. Now we've got the rhythm of the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now we've got the rhythm of the feet. Now we've got the rhythm of the feet. Now we've got the rhythm of the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker number 9. He likes to dance and keep in time. Now we've got the rhythm of the hips. Now we've got the rhythm of the hips. Yeah, yeah. Now we've got the rhythm of the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knickerbocker, Knickerbocker number 9. He likes to dance and he keeps in time. Now we've got the rhythm of the head. Now we've got the rhythm of the head.
Nod, nod.
Now we've got the rhythm of the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.